Welcome to Relive Data Recovery. The Relive Data Recovery based in Malaysia. Data recovery, 100% guarantee services. All over data recovery in Malaysia. We are expert in data recovery, computer, and digital forensic. Data transfer, data retrieve, data backup, data restore. Our engineer can help with the problems any type of damaged data storage. NAS storage, server, all type RAID system, RAID 0, RAID 1, mirroring system, RAID 5, RAID 6, RAID 10, network drives, SSD, solid state drive, HDD, hard disk, external hard drive, iPhone, iPad, smartphone, water damage mobile, SCSI, SAS, SATA, any type of ransomware attack, Apple, Mac, laptop, desktop PC, tab. When data loss occurs, you need to find a company with the technology and skills required to successfully get your data back as quickly as possible. Relive Data Recovery Malaysia is the #1 data recovery company with advanced technology to perform correctly. Fell down hard disk? And clicking? Or beeping sound? Don't worry. If your hard disk not open, not attempted any repair recovery center, then Relive Data Recovery offering to you 100% guarantee to get back all of your invaluable data. In case your hard disk platter scratched, still we can recover data. Of course, scracked HDD, not recover 100%. Relive Data Recovery. We offering all over Malaysia and worldwide. Contact Relive Data Recovery 24/7 by WhatsApp support, or make a call for any type of data loss situation. Our contact 00601742592228 or 006019756161. We will respond to you faster. Thank you visiting Relive Data Recovery.